Welcome to another episode. This one's a little bit of an exciting one for me because I'm starting a new project for the channel. It's going to be a bit of a long one, I think, because this one is in a major state of, like, not disrepair, but it's just wrong. It's looking so bad. It's corrosion on it. There's all sorts of things need to be done. But the good thing is I have been squirreling little parts here, there and everywhere. But I think the finishing touch of it is going to be super expensive. So if you're new here, please subscribe and please drop a like down below, because that is going to help the videos get pushed out and bring eyes on this channel, which is what I need, because I need every bit of help with this bike that I can get. Now you'll notice in the background there's the Tenere in the corner and the Husky in the other corner. They're not staying like that. I'm just trying to figure out a space so that I can get all the bikes in the backdrop and then the new bike or the old bike here with plenty of room to move around it, because that's one of the things I noticed with the BMW was I didn't have enough space to work around. I was moving the bike here, there and everywhere. And not only that, there's crap everywhere. So I did manage to get a little tool chest that I've used throughout the BMW build and with the other bits as well, sort of getting the Husky back going. And I've got some bits to do on the Tenere as well. But the garage is having a bit of a clear out, and that's why it's looking so empty in here, and that's why it's a little bit echoey as well. But without further ado, let's show you my new project. So I'm pleased to share with you the 1999 YZF R6, the 5EB model. This is the first bike I ever bought after passing my test, and that was 2 weeks after passing the test. So this bike has been with me for a long time. Sadly, the last time it was ridden was around about 2016, because that's when the MOT expired. I know it did have a service and it was running really well at the time, but for some reason we'd done a bit of work on it. It stayed in the garage, we didn't do anything else with it, and this is the way it is now. And you can see it's absolutely covered in all sorts of crap. There's corrosion everywhere, rusted bolts. There are some titanium bolts, so we did do a little bit of good work, but sadly this is the way it is now today. The fairing is going to be the most expensive part out of everything, because like I said, it was running mechanically sound, but that is going to be the hardest part. But nonetheless, there's still going to be powder coating, there's still going to be lots going on with the bike, deep servicing, carb clean, all that kind of stuff. So I'm just really looking forward to getting into it. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Please drop a like button down below, because that will help the channel out loads. And I'm going to bring this video to a close. This is my 1999 YZF R6. It's the new channel project. I will bring you another video on it soon.